Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reverse audio on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then to reverse audio on CapCut guys, you need to combine audio with video. As you can see here, we have an option to reverse the audio. On the previous version of CapCut, we have reverse option, but here on the CapCut update, we don't have option to reverse the audio. So if we want to reverse the audio, we need to combine it with the video like this. And then we're going to export the video. And after the video has been exported, we're going to create new project again. And we're going to reverse the video. Okay, and I'm going to click on done, and I'm gonna create new project, and we can import the video we have just exported. Okay, and then we can click on the video and select the reverse menu. You can scroll all the way to the right until we find the reverse menu or reverse option and tap on it, and we just need to wait for a moment until the video has been reversed. Okay, after the video has been reversed, we'll be able to use the audio. We can extract the audio from the video for editing. Okay, now the video has been reversed. It means that the audio is reversed as well. So I'm gonna play it. Okay. And we'll be able to use it for our editing on CapCut. Okay, I'm just going to export it. Just click on export, and I'm going to create new project again. Wait, it's still exporting. Okay, it's almost done, and I'm going to create new project. I'm gonna click on new project, and I'm going to I'm going to add one of random video from my gallery, and I'm going to click on audio, and we can select sounds and then select extract audio from video and choose the video with reversed audio. Okay, all right, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse audio on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.